Assalamu alaikum, respected student. This is your teacher Izhar Mahmood. Welcome to your new class. And this is your first chapter, Civilization and Empires of South Asia. In earlier class, we have read throughout the chapter, and I hope you will have done also. So, if you remember, and you should be remember that I have told you to take a pencil and underline difficult words. So, we will give Urdu meaning and English meaning as well. So, I have 3 rows, 3 columns. In these 3 columns, one is for difficult words, and the second one is its English meaning, and the third one is Urdu meaning for your easiness. So, the first one difficult word is landmass, mean huge part of a land, and in Urdu it is called खुश्की यानी ज़मीन का बड़ा टुकड़ा लैंड मास कहते हैं. कंप्राइजेज क्या होता है? कंजिस्ट, कॉन्स्टिट्यूट, मुश्तमिल होना, तकसीम होना. अबैंडन्ड, अ नंबर ऑफ, अ लॉट ऑफ, कसरत यानी ज़्यादा. एंड फेवरेबल, it is called attractive, fascinating and दिलकश, पसंदीदा चीज़ को कहते हैं ना, फेवरेबल. And now this is fill in the blanks. Civilization and empires of South Asia. So the underlined word mean this was a blank, and now I have filled the blank with the proper word. So a dash is a distinctive mass of land that makes up a large part of a continent. So it's mean that a subcontinent is a distinctive mass of land. In B, so the Indian subcontinent is a region with abundant resources. You see, the abundant word is underlined. Kasrat. The subcontinent was always to support large population. Indeed, subcontinent was a land which always support a large population. A large number of population were living here, and still living a large number of people in this continent, subcontinent. China. D. China is located in the northeast of the subcontinent, and the direction is northeast. You see the underlined word in D. So, E. An environment in which different people, culture and lifestyles are mixed together is called a melting pot. Yes, indeed, the subcontinent was also called a melting pot for the whole world, because it was to support a large population. So that is why abundant of people were living here, because this was a place where with abundant resources as well. So this was all about your fill in the blanks, and in the earlier slide difficult words. Please write down all these things in your neat copies, neat notebook. Thank you for your focus and interest. And inshallah, in your next class, we will go to MCQs and other exercises. So please go to the detail in your dashboard, lesson plan, and you will see there these things. Okay, these are your notes. Thank you so much.